Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we will see how to uninstall MinGW GCC compiler. So you can see GCC compiler, but you cannot find this to uninstall in control panel. You cannot directly uninstall this from control panel, so you have to do it manually. So for that, go to search bar and search for MinGW install manager. Open that and you have to check all the green colored installed files and mark for removal. You have to do this for every installed file. After selecting all the files, go to installation section and click on apply changes and apply. This will take some time, and you can also check this button. It will automatically close on complete. Close this window, and now you have to go to this PC, go to C and search for MinGW. Delete this folder. So in this way you can uninstall MinGW successfully. Thank you for watching the video.